In this video, we are going to learn how to use CapCut on Android device for beginners. CapCut is your all-in-one video editing app for Android. It offers a wide range of powerful tools and features that allows you to create stunning videos right from your smartphone. To start using CapCut, the first thing you'll need is the CapCut application downloaded on your smartphone. To use CapCut on Android as a beginner, you will need to learn some basic steps. We are going to walk through the steps one by one. Step 1. Downloading and installing CapCut. First of all, open your Google Play Store application from your Android phone. Soon after you open it up, go to the search box at the top and type in CapCut and search. Look for this application that says CapCut Video Editor from ByteDance. Once you see this interface, tap on the install button to start downloading CapCut on your Android device. Now wait for the application to download and install. Once the application is installed, tap on the open button. Step 2. Import your video clips. Soon after you open the app, tap on agree and continue. Select which of the following roles describes you the best. Answer some of the questions along the way and you will then come across the main interface. You can now start importing your video clip without signing in to CapCut as well. Simply tap on the plus button in order to select the videos you want to edit from your phone's gallery. Tap on the video and then, after selecting your video, you can now crop the video by tapping on the crop option at the bottom left and then select the part of the video that you'd like to include for editing. You can also select the full video if you want and tap on the tick mark at the bottom right and tap on add at the bottom right corner. Now that you've imported a video clip, you can trim and split clips. Drag the handle at the beginning and the end of the clip to adjust its duration. Once you open up this video preview page, tap on the video in the middle of the screen. This will then bring you up the slider. Drag the handles at the beginning or at the end of the clip in order to adjust the video duration. Once you select the duration of the video, if you want to split a clip, tap on the split button after selecting the part you'd like to click on. Soon after you do that, you will be able to split videos into two. Explore the rest of the features such as audio, text, overlay, effects, filters and much more and apply them to your video. Step 3. Adding transitions and effects. If you want to add transitions and effects on your video, then select a project or create a new project on CapCut and then go to the video preview. You can choose from variety of transitions by first of all selecting the clip you'd like to edit. Now, explore the variety of transitions by going to the effects option at the bottom and select video effects, body effects or photo effects and explore through the menu. You can choose from the trending tab or any other categories displayed on the screen. Find a transition you'd like to use for your video clip and tap on it. You will then be able to download transitions that you'd like to apply. The download should take a while and once it is done, you can now adjust the effects that you are trying to apply. Select and adjust the preference for the effect you are trying to apply and after you are done with everything, tap on the tick mark at the top right. You can now see the effect or transition displayed right under your video preview. Drag the effect and position the effect that you'd like to apply in the desired area. Once you are done, you will be able to add transitions and effects on your video. Apart from that, you can also add text and music. Just keep exploring through the bottom menu and look for text, audio, and other effects available. Once you are done exploring all the functions, you can now preview and export your video. Previewing and exporting your video. After you're happy with your edits, tap on the play button in the middle of the screen to preview your video. Make any final adjustments if necessary and then tap on the export icon at the top right hand corner. Doing this will now save your video to your phone's gallery. And there you have it. That is how easily you can use CapCut on your Android device as a beginner. Now you can use CapCut on Android to edit your own videos. We hope you found the tutorial to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.